Howdy folks, TJ here. I have a special gift from two dear friends from high school. Kids that I grew up with back when I was just a wee little lad. And actually spoke to Steve this last week. He called up. I think his wife was off on a business trip. And he was really lonely. And so he called me. So we had a nice chat for 45 minutes. And at the end he said, hey, there's a package that's arriving Friday. Just a heads up. So I didn't know what quite that meant. Because I posted, his parents gave me a rice cooker for our wedding anniversary. So I always post a picture of that on my Facebook group every so often saying, here's our oldest appliance. It's as old as our marriage, 30 some odd years old. So maybe he sent me one of those, but I don't think that would fit in the box like this. Plus the box has a second name. It has Bob on there. So Steve and Bob are two dear friends from, like I said, when I was a youth. And so I'm going to open this box. I don't know if they've tag teamed up on this or what's going on. I don't know if it's going to explode, but let's open it up. And if it's something that then needs a secondary video, we'll do that later. But it came in a FedEx box. And it's from Bob. So, Steve and Bob, thank you. Let's open this thing up. I'm going to put this down over here. Oh, you probably just saw my bald spot. Damn it. See, there's certain angles you should only show. But I got plenty of hair here, so I'm bald here, plenty of beard here. Okay, so let's open the box. So, this bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. I like bubble wrap. Now, this shouldn't be what I'm thinking. Maybe it's a gag gift because there's an Apple logo on this thing. How in the heck can they be sending me something from Apple? I did talk to Steve and said I had a Microsoft Surface Duo. This looks like an iPhone. I'm going to blush here, and there's two of them in here. Wait a second. Bubble wrap. And you're seeing my bald spot again. So, this is a difficult box to open. They have, let me make sure, these are sealed boxes. So they have sent me, and Michelle, they said it was for Michelle too. Not Michelle 1, but Michelle 2. iPhones! Holy smokes! Maybe this is their way of, because I said I had a Microsoft phone. They probably thought, what the hell's that boy doing? He doesn't need that. He needs an Apple. I mean, I am an Apple guy since the 90s, but I did deter after having every iPhone in the list. Michelle does have an iPhone now, an older model, but I did want to try something different, and it's cool, but it's not Apple cool. I guess I'm going to have to do a second unboxing, but they have sent, what does this one say? It says iPhone 14. Have you ever tried to read Apple boxes? The text is really small, I can't see. iPhone 14, Starlight, 512 gigabyte. Holy smokes, that's more than my freaking computer has. I think our Mac Mini from 2014 has 256, and it's the slowest hard drive ever. This is fast. And then this one, this is bigger. iPhone 14 Pro Max. Look at the size of this thing. Holy smokes, I've never had something. Well, that's pretty wide. That's the Microsoft Surface kind of wide. Oh, thanks, guys. I don't know how we deserve this, but I'll let Michelle know. Maybe I'll try to get her in doing the video for the unboxing part. I don't know. I'm more of the camera guy, because I'm pretty. iPhone 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, space black, 1 terabyte, 1 TB, that can't be right. 1 terabyte. That's more than my old computers I have in the house. Well, other than old hard drives. This thing is gigantic. Oh, you know what? I've been just talking about needing a good camera for my channel because I've been using a Pixel 3 for all these years, and it's nice, but it gets heat stroke and it stops working or it starts jittering. I don't think this would have that issue, and it could store tons of video. sure what to say. I'm a little blushed here. I will make another video. Maybe I'll do an unboxing of this, and I'll try to get Michelle to do an unboxing of this. I don't know. Like I said, I'm kind of the YouTuber guy. I don't think she is as much as I am. Thank you very much, guys. This is very nice of you. Maybe the boxes will still explode when I open them up. We'll see. So thank you, Steve and Bob, for thinking of us. This is very nice of you. Belated Christmas gift, maybe? Thank you, and we'll come back and I'll do another video soon on maybe unboxing of this. Hold tight, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.